Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times retirement sale, and she's also releasing two new spring paper packs today. I wasn't able to get mine, but I believe they're waiting on me to go pick them up. But I'm running behind. I'm going out of town today, so I said I'll pick those up later. But you'll see my projects on Monday that I'm going to create using those paper packs. My Creative Times link will be down below to her YouTube channel, so you can go over and check those out. And then, as well as all of my other design team sisters, their links will be down below. If you'd like to use my code MOE to get 15% off your total purchase, you may do so, or use any other designer's codes. These are the papers that I'm using for my projects, some of my projects I should say. So I'm using this here and this here. And then she's also retiring some items that were almost a complete release. So the papers, these papers here. So we have this one, dots, flowers, and solids, goes with the spring gingers. So mine is almost gone. I should have picked up another one of these, but I'm using the blue out of here, and I want to say the pinks out of here, and the green. And then this also goes with that. So that's the spring gingers, like I said. And this is a cute pack, and I got a little bit more in here, but very cute. And then remember that she released these stamp and die sets. So this actually coordinates with this, and you get the dies here to cut out those. So that went with that, as well as this cover plate. So all of those were released at the same time in one release. So you can almost pick up a complete release for a fraction of the price. And using my code, you'll get an additional 15% off. She's also retiring this gift card tag die. Love this because you can create a gift card, use it as a gift card, or just use the tags, whichever way. But I used that today. Love that. Once again, gift card tag dies. I'm also using her wallet die, really cute, and then you can also put a gift card in there. Oh, adorable. And I'm almost thinking that the everyday word dies were released at the same time as those spring gingers, but I'm not definite. But anyways, I'm using happy birthday from there. Really nice. And then the last thing but not least, the purse die. I really love this set. Sad to see it go, but she's making room for more. So, but this is really cute, and I also made that into a gift card holder. And then the additional products that I'm using that are not retiring, I'm using the foliage dies, strawberry flower dies, it's a plate die, assorted mini bow dies, and the rectangle frame die layers. Remember, these are not being retired, just the other items that I showed. So I created 4 projects for you today. One of them I didn't really want to show, but I thought, hey, I might as well show my mistakes too. But anyways, so let's start out with this one. This is, like I said, a gift card holder. So I put that little bunny on there along with that little Easter basket, Easter wishes at the top. And that's where I use the mini bows. And remember, I said this is a gift card holder, so you can just pop that right down in there. I probably shouldn't have put the bow on top, but it still works. And there goes that. And here goes the wallet die, very cute. I used those little bunnies again. And I added some enamel dots to kind of decorate it a little bit. And I made that into a magnetic pull, so it'll close like that. And then that's where you would put your gift card, but I just put a little extra sheet in there. I might glue that down and you can still slide a gift card in there. And then I also finished the back side of that, so I can sign the wallet. Leave them a little note on the back side. And then here goes this purse die. Love this. It's adorable. Love it, love it, love it. These are what I added. Thank you so much, Christine. She made those for me. And then I also used that foliage die. That's where I put the happy birthday. And then I used that backside, the front of this, to make it into a gift card on the backside. And you just slide that in there. And then if you wanted to make this into a gift card, just make sure you just add glue around the outside. But it's perfect. Love that. And then this is the one I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to show, but I am. Just to show you that, hey, Easter's coming. Make sure you grab those because it's a perfect time to have them at a fraction of the cost. So there goes that Happy Easter. Oh, and I also used the plate die behind there, except for I embossed it versus cutting it out. And then I just inked it up there, and that's about it. And I did finish the inside. It's just got a layer in there. But those are my projects that I made with those retiring products. So make sure you use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase, or any of the designers. Everyone's links will be down below, including the retirement section of the sale. Some of these items have already sold because she had them up in her shop for the last couple of days. So if you wanted to go shopping early, you could have. Otherwise, today is the day that it starts for 15% off. And it will end tomorrow night at midnight. All right, that's all I have for you. Have fun shopping, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.